Do you hate giving your students boring vocabulary reviews? So do I. I'm going to show you a fun and engaging way to create a vocabulary review. My name is Jenna Sloan. Welcome to Smart Notebook Review Game Creation 101. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open a blank Smart Notebook page. Now you're going to click on this widget. He's right here. This is called Smart Lab. After Smart Lab opens, you will choose your template. These are all the different templates you have options of. Today I'm showing you how to create a vocabulary game. Therefore, I'm going to choose Match 'em Up right here. Match 'em Up allows you to create two different categories. I'm going to title my first category Vocabulary Words. And I'm going to title my other category Definitions. Okay. Now I'm going to put in a vocabulary word, and right here I'm going to put in a vocabulary word. I'm going to use magnetism. Directly across from magnetism, I'm going to put the definition. As you can see, when I started typing in the first vocabulary word and definition, it automatically gave me another row to use for another vocabulary word or definition. And it also says 9 pairs remaining. That's because I've already put in 1 pair, and you have up to 10 pairs that you can use. So you can have 10 vocabulary words maximum. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a second vocabulary word below it in the next row. And directly across, I'm going to put the definition. Once again, it gave me another automatic row, but I'm not going to use it because I'm only going to show 2 vocabulary words for this example. Over here on the right where it says check answers, you can either put instantly or when prompted. That depends on if you want your students to match all of the words that with the definition they think it goes with before knowing if they're correct or not. So if you want them to do that, you would put when prompted. But if you want them to know immediately if they're right or wrong, you would put instantly. So I'm going to put when prompted since it's a game. Okay, after you get all of the vocabulary words that you want, you're going to click on the next button. You then get to choose what you want the background of the game to look like. So since I'm doing science vocabulary, I'm going to pick the science one. And then you punch finish. And now your vocabulary review game is completed. So as you can see, the 2 vocabulary words are on this side under vocabulary words, and the 2 definitions are under definitions on the right side. So now let's look at how you could assign this in your classroom. So you could either assign the Smart Notebook in Google Classroom, or you could have your students play the vocabulary game as a whole group. My students love to race each other on the smartboard when playing this game. If you choose to use it whole group, you can click on this star right here. And that gives you the option to add a buzzer. So you would just click this little eye and it now has a buzzer. It comes down here at the bottom. Or you can add in a randomizer or a timer. I really like to use the randomizer. Or you can use one, or you can use all of them, or none. So your students, in order to play this game, they would just choose a vocabulary word, drag it to the green goes with the other green liquid, and then choose the definition that they think it is. So put the yellow with the yellow, and it matches them. And then since I said when prompted to check the definitions, I'm going to put check matches. It shows me that it's correct. And that's how your students would use it. Let's see. I hope this was helpful and your students enjoy playing the review game. Thank you for watching. And last, I'm going to show you my citations. I used Screencast-O-Matic for this screen recorder, and I used SmartNotebook. Thank you.